guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm June Boxyluxe unboxing and try on. I don't normally get the Boxyluxe in, but Boxycharm sent this my way. So I wanted to review it for you guys. Also, I touched up my hair today. I wore gloves. This is the first time it's ever happened to me in like the 5 years of having blue hair and touching it up at home. But I must have had a hole in one of my gloves or something, but now my hands are teal, but it's fine. Normally hand sanitizer takes this right out, but I guess because it was sitting on my hands so long before I took the gloves off and realized that they're like fully saturated. I just realized that there's another layer under here, underneath that cardboard. There is a lot of stuff in here. If you guys are new to my videos, I do try on every product in order here of how I would use them as I'm doing my makeup. I like trying every product for you guys just so that you can tell whether each product is worth it, because you might want to go on and purchase that product if you don't get it in your box. First off, I'm going to start out with the Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. This has a really strong scent to it, so if you guys have an issue with scents, I don't know if you're going to like this one. Oh my god, my blue hands, I can't get over it. This smells very strongly like a grandma. Like your grandma's bathroom. I like almost don't even want to put this on. Yeah guys, I think I'm gonna actually skip this one. I hate that I have to do that, but if you guys have been following my channel, I get really bad migraines from scents, and I have a rhinoplasty coming up next week, and I can't take any medications or anything, so I'm not going to be able to take my migraine medication, so I don't even want to try that one. But I will read a little bit about it. So it deeply cleanses pores and reduces the look of blemishes. It's specifically formulated for oily, blemish-prone skin, and it has a non-drying formula that's infused with kaolin clay to lift away excess oils and improve impurities, and baldo extract to improve skin clarity. And it says that it's a balancing cleanser that also helps to visibly improve the look of skin texture while minimizing the look of blackheads and post-blemish discoloration. Oh, I really wish that I could use this because I always have hyperpigmentation after I have a blackhead or any kind of pimple that goes away. Like this right here was a pimple from like a month ago, but I still have a spot there. This is $49, so it's pretty much $50 for a face wash. Although Elemis does have really great products, and it looks like you don't have to use a whole bunch of this, so maybe this will last you a while. Next up, we have the Dew of Gods Fijifuji Collagen Whipped Vitamin Mask. This one looks like a lot of fun. Ooh, I love that blue. I feel like I'm gonna love this mask already. It has a very light, calming scent. Obviously nothing strong. Ooh. I feel like that one character from Phineas and Ferb. What was that guy's name? Ooh, I feel like a slight, like burning, tingly feeling. That means it's working. It says rich, luscious, and thick electric kaolin infused with vegan collagen, vitamin C, and lychee extract. Brightens, tones, and lifts your skin while restoring its natural balance. It's injected with hyaluronic acid. And it's supposed to give you a youthful, radiant glow. This is $42, which I think is such a great price for this, especially if it works. Because I feel like I didn't even make a dent in this, so it's definitely gonna last. Oh, this is really cool. So you can see it drying, but I need to leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'll rinse it off and be back. All right, guys, I just took the mask off. I feel like it really did, like I look more youthful. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I always wonder whether it's just in my head because I'm thinking about the product claims, but it really did give me like a nice glow. Anyway, we're gonna move on, but let me know in the comments down below. I think it looks really good. Next up, this is the Keys Soulcare Let Me Glow Illuminating Primer Serum with Niacinimide. I love this bottle, very fancy, and it's a pump. All right. So it definitely has a little bit of a glow. I'll show you guys on my hand. Typically, I don't like glow serums because I do have textured skin, and sometimes this can settle into those hollows and make acne scars look a little worse, along with just like the texture in my face. But glow serums give the face so much dimension because the highlighter always hits the high points of your face, and it just makes you look, I don't know how to describe it. They just make you look like extra snatched. I feel like serums like this are great to use on their own, especially if you're going to the beach. It just gives you such like a youthful glow. But let me read a little bit about this guy. So this is a hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy golden glow while helping brighten, plump, and smooth the look of your skin. This is $26, which I think is a great price point. Great price point for this because you only need like 1 to 2 drops. I feel like this is gonna last you. And if you're somebody who really likes glow serums, or if you just have more dull skin and you don't have textured skin, I think that you'll really like this. Although if you do have textured skin and you like glow serums, let me know in the comments down below. So far I do like this one. Let me see how everything lays with my makeup on top of it. But yeah, it does look really nice. This next product I'm not gonna be using because I don't have damp hair, but this is the Day Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner. And this, I'm not sure if this is a spray or if it's a, okay, yeah, so it's a spray. Sorry about these hands, guys. I can't even. It does have a really nice scent to it. It's not super overpowering or anything. It is like more of a calming scent. Oh, cactus flower. So maybe it's a cactus flower scent. But it says this conditioner may provide heat protectant up to 450 degrees. I really need to start using a heat protectant, so I'm definitely gonna be using this. It's carefully formulated for more than just that. It's a botanical blend that also prevents breakage, repairs damage, enhances shine, and increases softness. Plus, it carries Day's signature citrus scent, aka smells heavenly. Okay, so it smells citrusy. Yeah, it's like a citrusy floral smell. This is $26, which I think is great for a heat protectant. And yeah, the fact that it helps breakage. Next up, we have the Uve Beauty BU Limited Collection. So these are 3 full-size and 3 mini makeup blenders. Did I say that brand right? Is it Uve? Am I making it sound too fancy? Is it UV? Ooh, these are really fun colors. So here we go. I love that it has full-size and the minis. And it's $65, which is a little pricey. Although I don't know much about this brand. It must be, I guess, a luxury brand. But I mean, you are getting 6 beauty blenders, so I need to stop saying beauty blenders, makeup blenders. They do feel really nice and really soft. I've gotten a few beauty sponges from different brands and they tend to be like hard as rock. I don't know what that's all about, but these are nice and soft. These are antibacterial blenders that keep your skin clearer and prettier by preventing bacteria growth throughout. The cloud-like texture sets your makeup in the softest, most effortless way, while also preserving your costly creams, liquids, and powders. Developed in support and solidarity with our LGBTQ plus community. I love that. Where you can always be proud to be you. Aw, they're so cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this orange guy here, and I'm gonna mix my 2 foundations. I typically go in with the Morphe. This is the Filter Effect in medium 11, and Born This Way in natural beige. I don't know about you guys, but I do not wet my sponges. I find that they apply way better dry. That probably makes me a freak, but I'm telling you guys, it just works best for me. Whenever I use a damp sponge, I just feel like my makeup looks so splotchy. It is applying my foundation really smoothly. I love how soft these are. And because of the softness, it's really easy to get into these little areas here. When you have like a stiffer sponge, it just makes everything so much more difficult. Especially, it's like really hard to get in this crease area of my eye. And this just effortlessly goes in because it's so like pliable. I'm using this little guy for my concealer. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup off camera. I have 2 lip products I need to show you guys and a highlighter palette. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I kept it more of a natural makeup look since I saw that we have like a bright red lip here. But this is the NARS lipstick in Intrigue. This is such a beautiful color. That applied really nicely, and it feels really moisturizing. It looks like a matte to me, but it doesn't like feel super drying. Let me see. So it says a new formula, dynamic blend of moringa and passion fruit seed oils to enhance color vibrancy and conditions lips for radically lightweight wear. Endless artistry, infinite expression. So it doesn't say, I guess maybe it is more of like a satin, but it looks really nice. And this is $26, which I think is pretty good for a higher end lipstick. And I do have a little bit on my teeth there. but I didn't do the blot test beforehand. This is a great color for summer. Next up, we have the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Lip Shine. Oh, look at this. So you have a doe foot applicator. This shade, oh, I hope that you guys can fully see that on camera. It's just like liquid gold. So I'm just adding this as a topper. And I'm just gonna dab off the wand because that obviously turned the whole wand red. I pictured this gloss looking amazing on its own with just like a really natural lip liner. That's been like my go-to look lately. And last but not least, we have the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. This is by Beauty Bakery. I'm gonna go in with this guy right here. And that is in the shade 24 Hour Champagne Diet. Ooh, I feel like this goes great with this lip. It look like I'm vacation ready. I thought that this was also gonna be a highlighter palette, so I didn't put any highlighter on. But I'll do that real quick. Because on the palette it says blush lighter, which makes sense now looking at them because they are like a metallic blush. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know if there are any other beauty box subscriptions that you want me to review. And as far as my favorite products, I really think I'm gonna like this heat spray. I love that it protects against breaking. I mean, I have colored hair. I've had blue hair for like 5 years now, and it's seen some better days, so I can't wait to use that. I really liked this collagen vitamin mask, not only because of the color, but I really saw a difference. Let me know again if you guys saw that in the comments down below. I really think that it did make a difference. And last but not least, I love the Patrick Ta gloss. It looks great on top of any lip shade. Oh, I had crap all in my teeth. This is why I'm not like a big lipstick fan, but it is a really beautiful color. But when it comes to this, you don't have to worry about this being in your teeth because it's just like a champagne shade. But let me know what your favorite product was in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I am going to have a June Boxycharm base box review for you guys. If it's already up, I'll include it in the description. But if it's not up yet, look back tomorrow because I'll have them probably right in a row or later on today. But I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.